Hi, this is Imtiaz Ali.
Hi, this is Deepika Padukone and you're watching us on Bollywood Hungama.
We have a few questions from the fans, so let's take a few of them. There are too many of them, but let's try and take a few of them. Taif from Saudi Arabia for Deepika. Did you sign any film after Tamasha and Bajirao Mastani?
I haven't signed anything yet. I will soon.
Okay, so are you doing this film with Anand El Rayed starring Alia and Shah Rukh Khan?
I'm not aware of any such film.
And there are reports that you're doing a film with Hrithik Roshan.
How can I be? I'll just say, you only answer the question for
No,
me.
I'm just
I
asking.
haven't signed anything post.
But that is
post.
something which is offered to you, it has been offered to you?
I don't think it's right to talk about films that you're offered or not offered. I think
Okay.
that it's, you talk about films that you do eventually.
Right. And The Fault in Our Stars, because there are reports that Mohit Suri is directing it now. No comments?
It's very informative to come for interviews actually. I get to. You should never.
And actors remembered for the films that you do eventually. Does it matter if I'm offered something or not offered something, or if I was offered something and I'm not doing it for whatever reason? It's irrelevant. What is relevant to my life eventually, years later, is the films that you end up doing.
No, absolutely. We are just trying to, in a very
answer some
nice
questions.
manner. Yeah. No, in the sense, clarifying, that's about it. We are not
No, I haven't
sensationalizing or anything like
signed
that.
post Tamasha and
Right.
Bajirao.
Amit from Sydney, Australia, there's a lot of news that SRK in his next movie. Any truth to that?
Same as she's saying.
Hey, I heard
What?
that
Yes.
you're working with either Salman, Shah Rukh or Amir in your next.
That was one question that I've got from Ryan from USA,
I have a
Chicago.
story of three brothers actually.
You made it to the
Akbar
big
Anthony.
league, huh?
Amar Akbar
You
Anthony.
made it to the big league.
Yeah. After Ranbir, it's really been
Because Sajid Nadiadwala wanted to make that film, so is he the
Amar Akbar Anthony.
in
Yeah.
terms
with
of
the
names,
three
basically Amir, Shah Rukh and Salman together. So is he producing it by any chance?
fans. Amar Akbar Anthony.
No, Amir, Salman, Shah Rukh
Hey,
together.
I don't mind being Amar or Akbar or Anthony.
That's not a bad idea. You can be Anthony.
No?
Daru scene is damn nice at the mirror.
I can abuse also in there.
Exactly. See.
This is Ishani from Jammu for Deepika. Love or career, what holds more importance in your life?
Both.
Both?
I don't understand why it needs to be either or.
Okay. This is Galia Fakhuri from LA, California for Imtiaz. Do you feel music plays an essential role in a film's success?
Yes.
Most definitely.
Big role.
Sure. This is Mekhla from Kolkata, India. What is your favorite dialogue from Tamasha?
My own creation. Very interesting question. I'm going to think about it and be back. Which
One
is my
memory.
favorite dialogue?
It could be one of those that
In the bedroom at
cafe-
night. When I come out of the loo.
that must be. तो क्या करने का?
You can say we will play it later. That's not a problem. We can play it later. So suppose.
I'm only abusing in the movie.
See, but it could also be some stuff from those
Profound.
scenes.
So I have to say something profound, so.
Yeah. You think you're like ready for it?
I have to at least just for now.
Okay.
No?
So should I suggest something? But the cafeteria scene where.
Interesting discussion actually.
But also that this is not you. This I have. But they won't get it.
Correct.
They won't get it.
When we do our interview after the release,
Ji.
then you will have seen the film
Right.
and we can give you dialogue with context.
No, I think a lot of people have been asking for an interview with you and Ranbir together. So hopefully before the movie releases, we'll be
I'm
doing
sure.
that.
That
Maybe
will be a
in
good
that.
time for that because
Yeah.
then most
Absolutely.
of the dialogue in the film is also very interactive. It's not
Then
as though-
we'll perform scenes for you
Kya
like
baat,
this.
kya baat,
Full
kya baat.
scene, yeah.
Kya baat. Thank you so much. This is Sunny from Vadodara for Imtiaz. How many songs in Tamasha?
9.
9 songs in Tamasha.
Hey, that's a good number.
Yeah. On the album, yeah. One of them is a remix.
This is an interesting one actually. This is Jenny from Germany. Are there actually any similarity between Naina Talwar and Tara? Is there
Naina
any
Talwar
and
Naina
Tara?
No, I don't think so.
No.
No. Again, I would like to answer that question when the film releases.
The dialogue
Remember
one?
that, yeah, no, the difference between the two. I'll tell you the difference between the two I'd like to talk about it later when the film's out.
Absolutely, we'll remember that. Last question, Imtiaz. This is Sagar Jadhav from Ahmedabad. What's your next movie after Tamasha?
Not decided, yeah.
You have not
there are
decided
some
that.
stories in the mind, but they're just in the mind.
That's just in the.
Amar Akbar Anthony.
Amar
But
Akbar
I'm playing
But she's
Amar
playing
Akbar and
Anthony.
Anthony. No, I'm doing a triple. I'm doing Amar Akbar and Anthony.
It's really got into your head, yeah, your success.
You know, this will be remembered like even 1 year later. Trust me on that.
Oh no, then please delete it. We're joking.
There are people who just quote your interview for
No, please don't.
That
just
you
delete
said
everything.
something about Ranbir at that point of time 2 years back.
Yeah.
Don't worry, yeah.
No,
Beyond
no,
a
no.
point of time, they'll see what
No,
she
absolutely.
means.
So, Deepika and Imtiaz, pleasure having you on Bollywood Hungama and looking forward to Tamasha for sure. And Imtiaz अभी the writer director I think बहुत ही कम ऐसे लोग होते हैं जिनकी फिल्में वेट करते हैं एक्चुअली हम लोग साल में हम लोग बहुत सी फिल्में देखते हैं एंड ऑब्वियसली you've been performing brilliantly so looking forward to that on all your future ventures. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Farid.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.